Golem is a decentralized organization with a gathering of best programming engineers who foster programming and innovation arrangements universally. It makes a worldwide market for registering power, and the processing assets are open across the stage. It gives decentralized microservices and non-concurrent task execution. Adaptable apparatuses assist the designers with making an appropriate, and furthermore adapt their product arrangements. This multitude of administrations are accessible for an expense similarly not as much as contenders. The Golem environment expects to give programming advancement, AI, and logical estimation, which are the eventual fate of web blockchain, accessible and open for everybody. Golem was presented in Switzerland in the year 2016 by the Golem production line. It was helped to establish by Julian Zawistowski, Andrzej Rogilski, Peter Janiuk, Alexander Skr Zipczak. The organization sent off in 2018. And the ICO cost of GNT around then was 1 penny. At the point when the frenzy of digital money was controlled, Golem detonated from its cost levels. What's more, GNT shows an unexpected convention to $1, which was astounding, and an overbought position for another cryptographic money around then. The biological system incorporates individual and expert software engineers, Golem application vault, requesters, and suppliers. Golem Ventures' local coin is called GLM, which was relocated from GNT. Highlights of Golem. The adaptable open-source Golem stage permits distributed networks, which give awards to both application proprietors and clients to lease suppliers' assets. It is described by availability, open access, oversight, safe convention, and adaptability. The relentless biological system is a shelter for programming engineers. SDK assists with holding their imagination and grandstand ability to the world. The processing power can be considered as the two foundations, as a help and programming as an assistance. The installment frameworks are effectively open, modest, quick, and secure. The supplier establishment has been set up on the Ethereum mainnet, so when the supplier dispatches it, he will get a GLM token as a prize. On October 11, 2021, they reported the Beta 3 delivery, which upholds VPN and client utilization administration. The organization has presented Thorg, the main mining application worked in Golem, which is hoping to give more elevated level local area commitment. Golem leads a prize administration program regularly, which guarantees constructing a tremendous client base for the stage. The guide of the Golem has been partitioned into metal, mud, stone, iron. It has teamed up with speculative chemistry with a task called Get to Know Life at Golem. Golem trusts in the chances of Web3 and joined forces with Crowd, which is a specialist in the game improvement field. They have been related with better improvements in the framework. It's gone on up degree in innovation principles, gives programming designers to track and run with the product advancement world. GNT to GLM relocation. Golem organization token GNT is relocated into GLM. GNT was the previous badge of the Golem organization, which has begun to relocate into GLM toward the finish of 2020. GLM is an ERC20 token. Its huge exchange costs have applied the expense of relocation exchanges in Ethereum on the grounds that Golem's new exchange network is built in Ethereum Layer 2. In any case, this relocation cycle is going on. The purpose for the movement is that the coin sent off in 2016 ERC20 token was very little well known. ERC20 is currently unreservedly open in Layer 2, DEFI, and decentralized trades. Expanded acknowledgement, usability, and adaptability of ERC20 have caused Golem to relocate into another coin. There are fundamentally three choices for movement. First is relocating with the web use of Golem called MetaMask. The second is movement from the Golem application assuming you have an extra Ethereum account. The third is bringing in Golem keys to MetaMask. Market status of Golem. The market cap of Golem is $399,187,312.82, with a flowing stock of 1 billion GLM. Presently, the majority of the computerized coins are exchanging red and level after a gigantic meeting. Just certain coins are up on the week because of the positive declarations. GLM gave a 8% revisitation of their financial backer over the most recent half year and 3% cynicism last week, despite the fact that it requires an additional 3 years to cross the unequaled high of GLM on Golem cost expectation. It ought to be noticed that the plan of action and administrations given by the stage are exceptionally demandable. The contemporary innovation world is taking a gander at the decentralized framework and progressed blockchain innovation stage, which likewise has colossal development potential. Specialized investigation of Golem. The Golem cost today is around 39 cents, and it confronted a slight revision with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $9,119,492.79. The greatest cost as of now is enrolled at 43 cents. And the base cost is 39 cents. The record-breaking exorbitant cost at which Golem GLM exchanged is $1.25, which was in 2018. An everything time low is noted at $0, which was in 2016. Dissecting the obstruction and backing levels on the day-to-day diagram, the following opposition level is 49 cents. On the off chance that GLM cost can cross the close-term obstacle, it can test the obstruction level at 60 cents. The prompt help level is 34 cents, and the significant help level is 27 cents. Dread and insatiability file is 45. Significant specialized pointers for momentary cost expectations on the everyday diagram information. Relative strength list is 35.13. MACD line is beneath the sign line. The cost of Golem is under 20 mA, 50 mA, and 200 mA. In view of specialized examination and GLM cost forecast, despite the fact that the ongoing cost of Golem digital money is respectably negative, the high gamble of GLM coin doesn't give a legitimate sign or affirmation on cost change. Financial backers and brokers can hold on to affirm the pattern over the opposition level prior to making a transient venture. In view of the close-term Golem estimate, it is normal to exchange sideways for a brief time frame in the event that no news or digital money market bullishness is supported. Golem value expectations 2022 to 2026. Golem cost expectations for the future show that a beneficial speculation gives a decent revisitation of the long haul. Gauges for a considerable length of time show Golem GLM be valued at 77 cents, which is multiple times productive than its ongoing worth. According to specialists' estimates, put resources into dunk and hang tight at changes in costs. The cost-volume pattern of the drawn-out cost diagram from 2018 to 2021 appears to be intriguing. Note the huge cost change on the outline. The cost-to-volume pointer is exceptionally unstable, which shows some time the coin has been controlled, and cost and volume have errors in conduct. Presently, regardless of whether the cost is attempting to push high, the volume has not expanded much contrasted with past exchanging segments. The explanation for such a contention is the high unpredictability of the crypto market, which vacillates and for each and every adjustment of the economy. Throughout the time span, digital forms of money are supposed to be profoundly demandable since they annul the worries, exchange time, and charge of government-issued types of money. Golem Value Forecast 2022. Golem gauge information for 2022 is respectably bullish. The base GLM cost could reach 49 cents. Golem merit financial planning to contact a limit of 56 cents. In light of the drawn-out estimates, the Golem will exchange with a typical cost of 52 cents. Merchants can put resources into Golem for the medium term to acquire huge benefits from their venture. Golem Crypto Value Forecast 2023. The cost expectation Golem for 2023 from all specialists guessing that the Golem cost will raise a ruckus around town value level of 63 cents. The typical cost and least cost of Golem for 2023 is 58 cents and 53 cents individual. GLM Value Expectation 2024. Interest in any monetary road generally expects the worth of the organization will increment in the long haul. Likewise, merchants and financial backers can expect a cost ascend later on cost of